मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला। वीरों को हर्षाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I'm Janvi Divekar from Standard 10th. Today I'm here to present a speech on Independence Day. Long back 1947 we got our independence. We know that now we are living in this independent India only because of the struggle of our freedom fighters. It is important that we should remember each one of them today. 15 August is not only about freedom, it reminds us the strength, unity, and it also defines the sacrifices. It is our responsibility as a proud citizen of our country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Our nation has gone through many difficult times, including wars. Today we are facing collectively COVID-19 pandemic that has created global health issues and has had a deep impact on our lives. These are difficult times when we must join our hands with strong belief that better days are ahead of us. If we will remain strong and responsible, then we will able to overcome it. I would like to express my gratitude to all the doctors, nurses, health workers, police officers who are true corona warriors who have been at the forefront fighting this pandemic and coming forward to extend their helping hands. Determination and patience are the two key factors that can help us in fighting with this pandemic. So today is the day of remembrance. Let our contribution towards the nation progress. So thank you and stay safe and cautious. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning everyone. My name is Madhura Sudarshan Patil from 8th standard. Today I am going to give a speech on Independence Day. Entry of the British East Indian Company in the 16th century marked the beginning of the British rule in India. The British Crown took control over the Indian territory and India witnessed 200 years of atrocities and barbaric rule, which ended in 1947 on 15th August. It is this day, 15th August, when we look back to our 75 years of independence and pay tribute to all our great freedom fighters who gained independence from Indian struggle and sacrifice.
मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है राज। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे।
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Hardik Kiran Patange from 5th standard. At first, I like to wish you all happy Independence Day. Today is 15th of August. We are celebrating Independence Day. It is a big day for Indian citizens. India became independent on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. We hoist the national.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी
Independence Day. Good morning, teacher. My name is Arushi Munna Gupta. नन्ना मुन्ना रानी देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे साथ जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद.
Good morning to all respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I am Janvi Jagannath Chavan from Standard 10. As you all know, today is Independence Day. On that occasion, I want to say a few words on Independence Day. I am very happy to have this opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. We are celebrating 74th Independence Day this year. So, just 74 years ago, we got independence from British rule. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is very important for every Indian.
Madam and the teacher. Today I am going to explain a short speech on Independence Day. We must take a part in the events for devotions. It is very important to honor the flag and sing the national anthem. We also remember our brave freedom fighters on this day.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Pranali Sandeep Huge from 7th standard. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got freedom from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country.